Today we're here to set up my Ring Spotlight Cam wired. The Spotlight Cam with the cable, and we have our instructions, and then the install kit. Let's see what we've got here. We have our cable clips, our security screws, our screwdriver, screws, we have our drill bit, then we have our bracket. All right, let's get to work. We have really good Wi-Fi inside, so we're gonna set it up in here on the phone first. So we're gonna plug it into the wall. Okay, now we're gonna get out our phone. Okay, let's start setting up the device. Security cam, Spotlight Cam wired. This is gonna go on the side of the house. This is the wall we're gonna use. It's about 9 feet up, which will give us good coverage over here. I'm going to screw the mount in and use the level to make sure that it is level. Okay, now we're gonna mount the camera. We're gonna line up the 4 screws here and push down. There we go. And now we're going to screw in the security screw. Okay, now we're gonna use the cable clip to clip onto the wire and then into the wall in order to keep the wire straight. Okay, that looks nice and neat. We're looking at live view. We're gonna try and angle the camera to get it perfect. Okay, that's a good spot. And then now we're going to tighten it and lock it in place with this screw right here. Okay, good to go.